Now I'm going to be popping the wheel off, trying to use the DeWalt impact to get to this brake line back here to replace that. It's leaking up next to the drum. See how it goes. First, just check to make sure you have the right part to put back in there. This looks like the right one. Got it from Napa. Brakehose. First, remove the clip. Okay, with a 10 mil spanner wrench on the back, just loosen off the brake hose with a 17 mil on the other side.
Hopefully. It's one enough to snap the hose, but it was already broken. The other side. After this, I'll obviously have to bleed the lines, get the air out.
Not able to loosen the nut on the end of the brake line, so I'm going to spray it with, never tried this, but gum out freeze out. It's supposed to free it and break the seal of the rust, so let's see. And it worked. I just kept on spraying, and now I can turn it. Put a little plug in the top and sprayed it from there. I can pull that out. I can spin the nut just enough, and it's free. That's pretty neat. Use that again. All right, now put the hose on. Hose end has to go into the caliper first.
Smooth it up. And then line this up. Now I spin this nut into the hose.
After I'm done that, put the clips back on, put some oil in it, bleed the lines. Your brake should work. New clip for
and then this one.
Okay, brake lines I quickly bled. Basically I just stuck a hose off the nipple there into some oil, pumped the brakes, got the air out, tightened it back up. Shiny new piece on here, so now I can at least move the vehicle without squirting brake oil everywhere. Put the wheels back on, torque them down.